Hey everybody, welcome back to Truly Outrageous. I'm Neil, and today I've got a video for you that's gonna make you go ape. That's right. Today we're gonna be drawing Kong from the brand new movie Godzilla vs. Kong, coming to movie theaters March 31st. No, they're not sponsoring the video, but if there's anybody out there that knows somebody from Legendary Pictures, have them come take a look, okay? But before we get into our video, I wanted to let everybody know that on this channel, Truly Outrageous, the one you're watching right now, we're posting brand new videos to the channel every Monday and Thursday. So go down below, hit that subscribe button, and slap the notification bell so you're not missing a single one. And come join us as we try and meet our goal of 1,200 subscribers for March. Also, if you like what you're seeing, slap that thumb. Okay, enough of all that, let's get into drawing Kong. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So what you're gonna need for this drawing, you're going to need a piece of paper, you're going to need a drawing utensil. You can either use a marker like I'm using, or you can use a pencil or a crayon, whatever's most comfortable for you. And then when we get to the coloring step, this is the color palette that I'm using for Kong. Feel free to copy this, or if you wanna use your own colors, do that. Also, if I'm going too fast in this video, feel free to push the pause button or rewind. I want you guys to be as comfortable as possible while you're drawing. First step, you're going to take your drawing utensil and put it down. But you are going to pick up your piece of paper like this, and you're gonna fold the bottom edge so that it meets the top edge. And then you're going to put a crease in your paper like so. Once you've done that, you're gonna take what was the bottom edge and you're going to fold it down so that it meets the fold that we just created. And then you're going to make another fold right there. Okay, let's get drawing some Kong. All right, so you're gonna take out your drawing utensil. And our first step here is going to be drawing the nose and upper mouth of Kong. So that's going to start at about right here. You're gonna go up. You're gonna go over like that, kind of a diagonal line. Looks like kind of an upside down check. And then you're going to pull a line out all the way down, a curved line, so it meets the edge right there. But be careful not to hit the edge with your marker if you're using one, because it'll kind of ruin the drawing. So just be real careful about that. Okay, next we're gonna draw Kong's brow line and the back of his head. So that's gonna start right here. Gonna go up a little bit, gonna go out and over like so. And then right about here, we're gonna turn it down like that. Next, we're gonna draw the bottom part of the brow and Kong's eye. So that's gonna start right about here. You're going to draw a line just going back like so, all the way to there. Maybe a little bit further, like that. Then you're going to make a little Pac-Man shape. I know I'm dating myself there, but it's going to go like this and like this. So can you see the Pac-Man if you've ever played that game? And then you're going to cap off the eye with just a curved shape like that. Then we're going to draw the lower lid. So that's gonna come out like this, down, and then a little bit over like this. Next, we're gonna draw in some brow lines for Kong because he's kind of got a furrowed brow there. So we're just gonna curve a line up like this, and then another one like that. Next, we're gonna draw the outline of Kong's face. On a gorilla, there's a separation between the front of the face where it's mostly skin and the back of their head. There's a line where it becomes more and more furry. So I'll show you what I mean. So you're gonna draw a line out like this. And we're gonna go down and a little bit around like that. Then we're gonna come up and over. Connect your line there, Neil. And then we're gonna go down like this. So there. Next, we're gonna draw Kong's nostril. So that goes up like this. And they've got kind of a funky nostril. Goes down like this, and then a little tiny curve up here at the top to indicate that it's open. And there's some crease lines in his face. We're gonna draw one right here to indicate that nose. And then there's one right here that kind of separates the upper jaw from the cheekbone. That comes down from here and goes down to there. All right, next we're gonna open this up a little bit. And we're gonna close off the mouth part with just a straight line. So we'll start right here, drag that line across, keep that going, all the way to there. And we'll fold it back up like that. All right, next we're going to draw Kong's ear, and that is right over here. It's just a curved line out like this, and down like that. So kind of a backward C. And then you're going to curve kind of an S. Goes over and then goes all the way down like that. And then we'll fill in a little bit of the cartilage of the ear, so that's just gonna be a curved line out like that. And another one over here like that. Next, we're gonna draw the lower jaw of Kong. So if you're using a marker like I am, I want you to take an extra piece of paper and I want you to stick it in between the fold here. Because if you don't, what will happen is the marker will bleed through to the inside here and it'll ruin your drawing. And I don't want that to happen. So make sure you get that extra piece of paper right in between the fold there. Okay, so we'll draw the front of the lower jaw and the chin. So that's gonna go like this. So a little curve out for the lip right there. That's gonna come down like so. And then it's gonna go out all the way down like that. Because Kong has kind of a beard in the Godzilla vs. Kong movie. All right, next we're gonna draw the bottom part of the jaw and the back of the jaw. So that's a line that's gonna start right here. It's gonna go out like this, and a little bit of a curved line up. And then it's gonna go all the way up here. We're gonna cross over the fold and climb up to the top there, almost reaching the ear, but we're gonna stop right there. Next, we're gonna draw kind of what we did here for the front of the face, a separation between the skin part of the face and the back of the head, which is all hair. So that's gonna start right here. It's gonna come out like this. It's gonna go down like this, a little bit further. And then it's gonna go over like this and up, connecting to that line right there. Then we're gonna draw the back of the head here and a little bit of the neck. So we're gonna pull this line down over this way, all the way down, and a little bit of the neck right there. Then we'll hop over here on this side and we'll draw a little bit of the chest, which is just kind of a curved line right there. Next, we're gonna take our cover paper and we are going to pull that out. And then we are going to open them up like this. And just kind of flatten it out a bit so that it's not too bumpy. Now we're gonna connect our lines here all the way down. We're gonna start with this one, which is the back of the head and the neck. So we're just gonna take the line down, just keep that going all the way down to there. Same thing here. I'm gonna pick that line up here, just keep that going all the way down until you reach the back of the lower jaw. And then right here, you're just gonna pick this up and you're gonna pull that down as well, all the way down, and connect to that separation between the skin part of the face and the hair part of the chin. It's the chin, yeah. And the back of the head. All right, next we're gonna draw the back of his mouth here. So this is just kind of a curved line that's gonna come all the way down. And it's gonna curve in and stop right there. Then we're gonna draw the top of the lip. So that's just a straight line across starting right here. Just drag that line over and meet that curve that we just drew. Next, we're gonna draw Kong's gums. Now, the gums and teeth on a gorilla are very similar to the way our teeth and gums look because we're evolutionarily related. So what we're gonna do is we're going to draw a line down like so. And our teeth have kind of like a upside down U shape that connects the teeth to the gums. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna draw a U shape and a U shape like that. And I'm gonna keep these going across in real quick motion so you don't get bored. Then we'll do the same here on the bottom, but these ones kind of come out a little bit. So just a little bit of a angle there, and then we'll do those U shapes again, and I'll speed it up for you. All right, next we're gonna draw Kong's teeth. So like I said, they look a lot like ours, so they're kind of flat at the bottom, except for the canine tooth right here, which is really, really long and sharp looking. So I'll show you what that looks like. It's just kind of a shark fin shape that goes down like this, and then up again like that. Same thing on the bottom. We're gonna come over 2 teeth like we did up here. 1, 2, and we'll put that shark fin shape upside down, or maybe this is right side up actually for a shark. Just like that. Then we'll come back up to the top here. We're gonna put those teeth in. So that's kind of like just a square without the top, because we've already drawn the top, which is that U shape there. So you go down, over, up, and then just repeat that along. And I'm gonna speed this up so you guys don't get bored. All right, then we'll jump down here to the bottom and do the same thing. Gonna go up, over, down, over, and connect to the canine tooth there. All right, and last but not least, we'll go ahead and draw Kong's tongue in his mouth, because that's where it belongs. That's a curved line down like this, and then there's a little bit of a curve out like that. All right, and there's your line work for Kong. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay. What shoes do ninjas like to wear? Sneakers. Okay. Let's go ahead and move on to our coloring step, and we'll do that as quickly as a crowd runs away from Kong, starting now. All right, there it is, your fully colored Kong. Let's try him out, all right? Let's fold him up here. Oh, there's Kong. He's looking nice and content, but oh, he sees Godzilla, and... All right, I hope you guys had lots of fun drawing this one. I know I did. I'm a huge Godzilla and Kong fan for that matter. Remember that movie's coming out on March 31st. That's Kong vs. Godzilla. Don't forget to go down below and subscribe to our channel here. We're trying to reach 1,200 subscribers by the end of this month. Don't forget to spread the word about Truly Outrageous and tell all your friends. And don't forget to have a great day wherever it is you are. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.